Welcome to my channel. Right now you are in the right place. Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Juliet Migwi. This has been and is going to be a season of my white and gold leaf collection. As you will see, if you've been here before, you've been watching that, and as you'll see as we go on in the next few weeks. And today I'm showing you how to make this resin coaster or resin trays, or you can use it as a vanity tray or for serving nuts or other hors d'oeuvres. And it's so easy to make and so pretty. I found this new silicone mold and I'm excited to try them out. There are two types, so I'll show you both types. And if you check the card above, you'll see how I have used it in a different way as a base for a jar that we're going to use as a gift set. So please don't miss out on those videos. It's very easy. We'll just need a clear resin. We'll use our white pearl MEYSPRING mica. Remember, we are doing a white and gold collection, and our gold leaf. And for more of such creations, or to see the very different ways I'm going to use these coasters or as trays in different ways inside, you know, how we style them, please follow me on Instagram at Juliet Migwi Inspires. And for more videos on how we make this and the other white collection, please subscribe and press the notification bell. This is one of the quickest videos I've ever made because I won't talk as much as I do. So keep watching. Instead of mixing the gold leaf in the resin, I want to try do it this way. I want to try just cut pieces and tap in. So that I can guide where they are going to be, so that they don't just sink to the base, because I want them to be seen from the side. So doing it this way helps that. I'm trying not to get to the top, although even though it does, it doesn't hurt anyone. And I think also this way you use less gold leaves, and these tiny ones that have this border, the ones that are in these sheets, in between the sheets, really help, because then they don't stick to each other. Oh, I don't want this to go to the top. So let's do another, pick another. They're very, very easy to use when they are, because like now I'm just opening and peeling off. And something very interesting, if you don't know, you know, sometimes when we use gold leaves and they stick all over your finger, if you use gloves, they don't stick to gloves, but they stick to the silicone. So if you're, for example, using a silicone stick, they will stick. See the way they're sticking here? Right, so we'll finish this off. Cut little pieces. And everything I use on this video is linked in the description box below. There's just something about gold leaf that adds an elegance to a piece. Yes, you can overdo it, so don't overdo it, but there's just something. Whoever discovered gold leaf kudos. Okay, so that's it for this one. So I'll make the other one and come back to you with the resin. Our coasters or our trays, our vanity trays are ready to demold. So I'm going to show you how we demold them. And remember, please stay till the end because I share with you how we use them in different ways, like a vanity tray or in the kitchen or on the console. And if you like this video, and please subscribe and press the notification bell so that you don't miss more. Ooh, see that? And if you'd like to see more colors of these or more variations or different ways of using it, like on my Independence Day videos, please follow me on Instagram and on TikTok at Juliet Migwi Inspires. Look at that, people. Look at that. Imagine this on your console or as a vanity piece or for your candle holder. See what I meant? When you put the gold leaf on the mold, it actually stays there. It doesn't float away. I don't know if you've seen my video. Check the card above or check my playlist on resin for a napkin holder that all my gold leaf floated to the top, so it didn't give the design I wanted, like this, like this one that was already stuck to the mold, so it stayed down. So this is one of the reasons, if you'd prefer, you would stick the gold leaf on instead of just mixing it in with the resin. So lovely, lovely. And you can see the design of the mold there, here, and it gives that illusion of, you know, the light and darker. You can see part of the resin pulling, a little design in there. So even the little gold that floated is at the back. You don't see it too much. See the little that floated is there. Wow, so stay, I show you how to use this. God bless you, Barakatele. We'll see you on the next video. Wow.